A curious learner places a metal plate on a speaker stand, sprinkling fine sand to reveal music-induced patterns. Materials include a metal plate, a small speaker, an amplifier, a shallow tray, fine sand, and a few pins. They place the plate on the speaker, spread sand evenly, and vary tones while observing changing geometric patterns. The science shows standing waves create nodes where sand collects, turning frequency into visible arrangements on the plate. Safety tips: keep volume low, supervise setup, and experiment with bowls or different sizes to see new patterns.